Good morning and welcome back to our Project Ralph. We're here with a little update today. A lot's been happening since our last update of finishing up timber framing. We've got the second story completely finished, WeatherTex cladding on, painted. Let's take a look inside.
Hey guys, come along with me to see what's happening here upstairs at Project Ralph. Alright guys, so as you can see, all the walls up here on the second story have all been lined and they've all also been flushed. So now we're ready for starting the second fix. So starting up with the door jambs here, setting that up so then we can put on the architraves and get it ready to put all the doors in. Let's come and check out the bathroom upstairs here. So as you can see, the tilers have done all the waterproofing to our bathroom. We've got a nice little niche wall here and that's going to add a really nice feature to the bathroom. We've also got the strip drains going in, so this is all ready to go for the tiling. Internal lining's now completed downstairs, with tiling well underway and joinery in the next couple of weeks. We've now completed all downstairs windows using Lockup double glazed in the Dover white. Hope you've enjoyed this update at Project Ralph.
Stay with us in the coming weeks for all trades to finish off.